Good morning, children. Children, now we are going to learn second unit population and human resource development. What is population? Population is nothing but the total number of persons inhabiting a country or a city or in a area. We are well known. Most populous country in the world is China. Very least populous country is Vatican City. Here, according to 2017 census, the total population of Vatican City is only 1000. A smallest country as well as a smallest populous country. Children, we are going to overview of topic today, theory of demographic transition. Children, after going through this session discussion of this, there are the things which we are going to learn. Objectives are about population, knowledge regarding demographic transition. The theory of demographic transition was propounded by W.S. Thomson and F.W. Nordstein. They explains the theory in three stages. This theory explains the effects of changes in birth rate and death rate on the growth rate of population. Same the way E.G. Dolan says population cycle in three stages. In first stage, population in India was birth rate is high and also death rate is high. Hence population becomes stable. In second stage, birth rate is high, death rate is low. Hence population explosion came. In third stage of India, birth rate and death rate both are low. Hence population becomes stable. Students observe here, first stage and last stage means third stage become stable. Middle of the stage, second stage is very high explosion of population. Now we will observe theory clearly. How the population getting evaluation means transition. We will see the demographic means population, transition means evaluation. What is the demographic transition? We will see now. Changes in stages. In first stage, birth rate and death rate both are high. What are the reasons for high birth rate? We will see now. People in those days lack of education. They follow superstitions. They have social beliefs. They promote early marriages. These all are reasons leads to high birth rate. In first stage of demographic transition, we will see now high death rate causes. They avail poor diet, absence of sanitations, poor housing conditions, lack of medical facilities, low level of standards of living because of in those days they having agrarian society. These all leads to high birth rate in first stage of demographic transition. Observe here in second stage, one is high, one is drastically changed into low. In second stage of demographic transition, we will see here high birth rate continuously as we see in the first stage, same the way continuing in second stage. Death rate, it becomes drastically change into low. What are the reasons? We will see now. In second stage, birth rate denotes high. What are we are observing in the first stage? Same the reasons repeated here. Lack of education, superstitions, social beliefs, and they have no idea of small size families. Hence, they have large family system, and also they preferred male child always. Hence, the population growth rate rapidly change. It becomes too high. In this stage 2, death rate denotes very low. What are the reasons? Here we see. People are having good income levels and they are taking good food. They improved their diet. Education expands. State makes special efforts to check the contagious diseases. Like those days, they face cholera, masuchi, diphtheria, plague, and etc. etc. Like nowadays, we are facing coronavirus. It is also one of the pandemic and contagious disease. In that time, medical and health facilities are increased. Automatically, living standards also improve. That's the reasons in second stage, gradually death rate will be decreased. Now we will observe third stage of the demographic transition. In this, we observe good sign because of birth rate and death rate both are low. What are the reasons we will observe now? In third stage, birth rate is gradually decline, dramatically decline because of industrialization and urbanization came into force in the days, and also increases income levels. People also know the importance of small families, and women also getting good income. And in this third stage, people wants to maintain reasonable standard of living, so birth rate declines significantly. We already know that in second stage only death rate falls down because of people having good facilities. In third stage also death rate moving down. The characteristics of the third stage are low birth rate, low death rate, small family size, and low growth rate of population. These three stages reveal the information of a primitive high birth rate, high death rate economy into a low birth rate and a low death rate economy. In the second stage, an imbalance is created in the economy due to falling of death rate, but relatively stable birth rate in third stage. We will see these three stages in a graph. Here in the graph, we are used OY axis, birth rate and death rate. On the OX axis, we taken here first stage, second stage, and third stage of demographic transition. Observe here birth rate and death rate in first stage high. In next stage, birth rate is continuously high, death rate is gradually decline. In third stage, birth rate also significantly fall down. Hence, here we are observe these three stages passing through every country. This is the theme of this year. Thank you, children.